Jonathan Race has been working so hard.
And he went in fairly heavily. Oh, somebody else says oil. There must be oil. There must be oil.
That was Camia.
Yeah,
Camia went down awfully hard.
This will be red flag. This has to.
As he is on our screen. Wow, Jonathan. Oh, I hope he's all right. He went down so
heavy.
Fast and hard.
Really, that was a heavy crash.
And so too this one. Oh,
better so, I think.
Et là qui est passé à la 16e.
Voilà, avec une chute. Oh, une chute terrible. Le pilote qui est allé percuter ensuite. Il est conscient, tout comme il est allé percuter le rail de sécurité. Oh, il y a eu un gros crash en revanche.
Avec 3 pilotes a priori impliqués au minimum.
Au bout de la ligne droite des stands.
Oh, il y a eu un strike. Oh là là.
À grande vitesse.
Que va-t-il se passer? Je pense qu'ils vont peut-être terminer la course, mais là c'est quand même une grosse chute.
Oh, le pilote ne s'est pas percuté, mais là c'est une grosse chute, malheureusement.
Un peu comme Michael Savary.
An enormous crash for David Salom here in this session with just over 4 minutes remaining.
Silvan himself crashed on the first lap of race 2 last year. That's a monumental high side for Silvan Gintoli coming out of Aqua.
But here's a wild card this weekend, and a huge crash for Russo as we come through the fast right-handers. And that's actually just where we saw Andriotto's bike go off as well.
Straight in sessions, and we're going to get a replay of this one as he heads around turn 11 and turn 12, and that's the high side, but it's just at such a high speed that both bike and rider being caught.
Pit lane will reopen at oh, there is a replay of the huge crash that Loris Baz had that has seen the Superpole 3 suspended for the moment. They've been cleaning things up. It looked like fuel from a ruptured fuel tank might have been the main yell.
Well as Ken and Sofoglu on the Honda and Ducati mixing it. Thankfully both riders okay, but we were worried about them before they came to arrest. Both staring at each
Race weekends here, and oh my goodness, can you believe it? We've had a collision on the warm-up lap of race 2. Yep. If we can find out what happened, look. Oh my word. So it's actually, oh, and look at that bike. Oh, did it hit Sebastian as it came back down? Oh, not the sort of...
Das nochmal an hier, komm da raus.
Highsider, wilder Highsider.
Möglicherweise hier, oh, der ist ja heftig auf den Rücken gefallen dann. Möglicherweise berührt mit Karl Markovic, aber ich bin mir noch nicht mal sicher, das war...
Mit dabei, das ist Noriyuki Hagasan. Und da geht's aber leider schief. Thiele, ein Fehler.
In trouble, and then big contact behind by the looks of things for Pufa and Walraven.
Now.
Oh no!
That's Giuliano.
Giuliano goes up in flames. That could easily cause a red flag.
Flug sehen wir noch einmal genau an derselben Stelle, wo schon einmal hingeknallt ist vor einigen Jahren. Und da hat Arvenslide alle Hände voll zu tun.
Täällä näkyy sitten syy, minkä takia miehet ovat ilmoittautuneet varikolle. Bretislav Konia
Fox has come through as well. The Yamahas won three. Oh, two of them have gone down big time. Now 31.
A super sport race. Jamie Hacking on the green Kawasaki loses his bike and goes down. It's the 99 of Jeff May that can't avoid Hacking. Taking a second look. Amazing how high May is going to get launched. Luckily, this bike never comes down on May. Both guys okay. The race was red flag. Neither rider would restart the race, though.
Yeah.
Oh, no! Massive crash at Honda.
That's Checker.
That's Carlos Checker, and he's down hard. That could be a red flag.